Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jas Nicole and I'm here with another video. I am so excited for today's video. As you can see by the title, I am doing an unboxing. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button so you can see when I upload some more videos. So I was on Instagram a couple of, maybe like 2 months ago, and I saw this picture on the Explore page, and this girl had this really cute bag, and I was like, oh, this is cute. Let me check on, see what the tag is, where it's from. When I looked at the tag, it said LTL London, so I clicked on their profile, and as I was going through, I was like, oh, they got some really cute bags. And they're reasonably priced. Like, they look like, I don't want to say like duplicates of like designer bags, because this is a reputable company, but it kind of gave those vibes, like luxury vibes. So I was like, okay. So I went on the site and they were having a sale, and the sale was either 50% off of your order, or you can buy a bag and get another bag for free. And they have like specific bags you can choose from to get for free. So I was like, oh, let me go ahead and buy a bag and get one for free, okay? So that is how I ended up with 2 bags from LTL London. They're based in the UK, so it did take a couple of weeks for it to get here. But honestly, I didn't even mind. So the bag actually came in a box, obviously, but what I love about this company is that they sent this like bag with it, so that it kind of made me feel like I actually went shopping in the store and purchased it. So I went ahead and put both the bags in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing. Like I said, I have 2 bags, so I'm gonna start with this one that I got for free. It came in a little like duster bag. So I'm so excited about these bags. I've already seen them, but I didn't actually examine them. I literally just took them out of the box and put them in the bag because I actually wanted for you all to see like my first reaction. So this is the bag. Look at how cute this is. It's so cute. And it's like small enough that like it won't take up too much space, but it can still fit, what you need to put in there. So the material is very, very soft, and y'all, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to wear this bag. So I love gold hardware on any of my bags. I wear mostly gold jewelry anyway, so it kind of works out that this has gold hardware. So when you turn this little dial and you lift it up, this is the bag. It has some stuffing in it. Obviously, bags be coming with stuff in, but kind of hard to get it out. And when you open it up, here is the longer chain, as you can see right here. So it has like black at the top and then like the gold chain. But if you also wanted to like do this, you could as well. Like if you can wear it like this, or you can wear it like this. Either way is really cute. But this is the inside of the bag. So pretty spacious, enough to fit like your phone, basic necessities. I love that it has a zippered pocket, and then it also has like this extra side pocket right here, so you can kind of add some extra stuff if you want. I love that the inside is actually burgundy, like a burgundy wine color, if you all can see that. Which I like because it's different. Like most of my bags usually have like the interior is the same as the exterior. So this is actually really interesting that it's burgundy inside, but it's really, really cute. So this bag is perfect for like a night out. You want to dress up and feel fancy, get them little luxury vibes. I know for me, I'd probably wear it with a single strap just because I prefer like crossbodies that way, but there is nothing stopping me from wearing it this way as well. So on the back, it has this cute little heart design, which is so precious. It doesn't have like a back pocket, some bags do have that, but honestly, I'm not even mad at it. I absolutely love this bag, and I haven't even worn it yet. So I'm gonna actually put it back in the little duster bag for now because I'm not sure when I'm gonna wear it, but I like that it at least gives you an option with a duster bag. I'm hoping that soon I can get like a some type of shelf or something, shelving, to actually start putting some of my handbags, because right now they all are kind of just chilling in my little like ottoman that I bought. Something else to keep in mind when ordering from LTL London is looking when like the bag you like to make sure that it's not a pre-order, because if it's a pre-order, that means that you're not going to get it in like the specific time it takes to ship the bag. So just pay attention to that. Luckily both my bags were not a pre-order, so they came within a good couple of like maybe like 2-3 weeks I think it was, so that's not too bad. But some of the bags did have a pre-order, so that means that you won't get it until they actually like release it, I guess. So just keep that in mind. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna unbox this next bag, and this is the one that I originally wanted before I realized I can get another bag for free. And I love that the dust bag has LTL London on it. So y'all, I am so excited to unbox this one because I have been wanting a bag like this for the longest. Okay, so this is the bag that I bought. It is the Quilted Flap Large Bag in Nude, and y'all, this is so cute. Okay, so this is like kind of like those bags where you're kind of going out for a nice brunch or something and you're feeling real, you know, sophisticabougie. I don't even know if it's a word, but I made it up. Sophisticabougie is like sophisticated and bougie at the same time. This bag is also giving me that luxury vibe that I've really been wanting without breaking the bank. And I love the quilted material of it. It definitely reminds me of like, kind of like, you know, like I said, those designer handbags. So this is so cute. So the front does have a flap and you just like change it. Again, the gold hardware, love gold hardware. And it has like this mini little front pocket right here, so that you can kind of like slip, you know, some things in there, nothing too crazy, but it's pretty spacious. It's pretty spacious in there. And then it has these two straps. I actually had to figure out how to make them even because one's a little bit longer than the other. But taking out the paper, the inside is also that burgundy color, which I totally love. And this bag has a zipper at the top, so you can zip your bag closed. I like the zipper on the top, that way like nothing falls out of my bag. So inside it has, again, another standard like side pocket right here. And then it has a zippered pocket on this side, and it's pretty spacious in here. I wouldn't necessarily use this as an everyday bag because honestly, like, I wouldn't take this to the office with me. It just wouldn't make any sense. But if I'm definitely like going out, like if I'm running some errands, like I'm going to Target, because you know you have to dress up when you go to Target. I'm going to Target, going to the mall, brunch, things like that, I can definitely wear this. And what I love about this is that it's kind of one of those bags where I feel like you can dress it down. So I can wear some like biker shorts and a t-shirt and throw this on with some sneakers, and like this kind of makes it feel, you know, a little luxury, you know, a little bougie. Or I can dress it up so I can wear some like denim shorts, a cute like button down like white shirt, and some sandals, and have this to like go to brunch with. Absolutely love this bag. And I haven't even worn, like both of them I haven't even worn yet, and I absolutely love them. So I will definitely say my first time buying from LTL London, unboxing these first impressions, definitely love these bags. And I love that this material is like really soft. I definitely need to figure out like what like cleaner I can use, just in case like I get a mark on there or something, that it'll be good. And last but not least, with this bag, it has a back flap. So I love that because I can slide, you know, anything in there. And it has like a little magnetic hook, so I can just close it and it'll be good to go. I'm gonna put this one back in the duster bag just to keep it safe for right now until I use it. So those are the two LTL London bags that I bought. Y'all, I will definitely be buying from them again. I feel like just the whole vibe, everything, just, it's customer service at its peak. Like they give you a bag, you know, just to make it like nice and luxurious. So absolutely love it. In the description box, I'll go ahead and put the links for those two bags as well as their website so you all can check it out. I think they also have like phone cases as well, but I didn't really check those out because I need a new phone. But definitely make sure to like follow them on Instagram as well, because they are always letting y'all know when they're having some good sales. And when they have some sales, they have some good ones. Like before, I think they had like a 50% off sale, and I was like, I didn't need to buy anything at that moment, but I was very tempted. And I love that their bags are not only like neutral colors, they have like other colors as well. So definitely check out their site and see, maybe you might find a bag that you like. Thank you all for watching this video. Comment down below which of those 2 bags did you like in this video. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all again for watching this video. Until next time, bye.